Hello everyone, and welcome to this video capsule about Law 25, the law regarding the protection of personal information. My name is Hugo Gerard, and I have been a real estate product manager and senior implementation advisor for 17 years now. I am the specialist in charge of implementing Law 25 at Hopem, so I will be your guide today. In this video presentation, we will cover Law 25 from various angles. We will provide an overview of the impacts of Law 25, share our action plan, and, finally, inform you about the various impacts on our products. Before delving into the heart of the matter, as a responsible provider, we want to remind you that it is your obligation to ensure compliance as a data owner. Hopem offers not only real estate management software but also food service management software, healthcare management software, and time and project management software. Would you like to learn more about these product lines? I invite you to visit our website at www.hopem.com. But what is Law 25? It is a new provincial law that modernizes legislative provisions regarding the protection of personal information. Some provisions of the law have been in effect since September 2022. A significant portion of the law's articles will soon come into force on September 22, 2023, and finally, a last phase is planned for September 2024. This law is based on 5 key principles that must be embedded in the processes of any company using personal data. The first key principle is security. The law aims to ensure the security of all personal information processing activities, with significant security logistics standards in place in the law. The second key principle is purpose. The law also aims to ensure that all personal information processing has a specific and justified purpose. In other words, data is not processed for no reason. The third key principle is minimization. Are the personal information used necessary for processing? Processing the minimum possible amount of data and limiting it to what is necessary reduces the risk of errors and also minimizes the risk of compromising sensitive data in case of a breach. The fourth key principle is consent. Each processing must be based on the consent of the individuals involved. The fifth and final key principle is responsibility. Law 25 aims to make good practices in personal information protection mandatory. To achieve this, it seeks to hold companies accountable by imposing costly administrative fines for non-compliance. It is through this final principle that we, at Hopem, wanted to communicate with you through this video, to let you know that we have the same obligations to protect personal data for our clients and suppliers. Been working on this project for the past few months to ensure compliance and are aware of your various obligations. As a responsible provider, we want to share our action plan with you. The design of this plan began over a year and a half ago, long before the first phase of this law came into effect. The first level, of course, is our software. We have ensured that all our products provide you with the tools needed to comply with the new law's articles. In the second level, we have also ensured that our company meets the highest standards for the protection of personal and sensitive data, both for our clients and suppliers. And in the third stage, we will be there to support you in your compliance efforts. For each of our products, a comprehensive compliance analysis has been conducted, and we have identified the elements on which to base our adaptation strategy to support your compliance. With access management systems, users of the software you use will be able to either view or not view personal data, both on the screen and in reports. New tools for data anonymization and destruction will be made available to you. You might be wondering, what is data anonymization? Data anonymization is the process of modifying personal information within a given set so that it is difficult, if not impossible, to identify the individuals to whom the data belongs. The goal is to preserve privacy while allowing the use of this data for analysis, research, or other applications without compromising the confidentiality of the individuals concerned. All data deemed sensitive will be encrypted in various databases to prevent unauthorized access. This data will only be accessible through the relevant software if you have permission to access it. Remember that the responsibility falls on you to implement all of this to comply with the requirements of the law. For more information, Please contact us through by phone at 1-800-363-9049 or by email at info@hope.com. Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this video, and see you soon.